Now we have our server running, it's time to create a website. So to do that, we need to open our browser. For the drives, we need to go to WAMPs and then web. This is where we put our websites. We don't have to, but it's where it's expected to be. So we'll call this new.cc. And I'll take a copy of that file path because I want it in a second. I can choose here on localhost, I can choose add a virtual host. Put in that path, so that goes there. And I have new.cc as the name of my virtual host. I'm not going to use an IP address, I'm going to use the same virtual host. Hit create, and it only takes a fraction of a second to create the new.cc. So if I type new.cc up here, it doesn't work. The reason it doesn't work is we haven't refreshed our DNS, the one thing that can't be done automatically. So again, we'll go left click here, right click here, go to tools, and then restart DNS. Give that a few seconds, and then if we go refresh again, we get a PHP message we would expect because we have an empty directory. So if we go in and we go new text document with me, full stop. File, save as files. Well, it didn't do it, did it? Okay, it's not going to work. It works in Sublime Text though. Save as. And we'll just try to do heading. So there is our massive website. You don't need to do this, I'm just doing this to show you that it's there. Alright. What you really want is you want WordPress running. So let's go and get a copy of WordPress download. .2.1 is what I have at this time, so we'll go and download that. Show folder. Extract it out however you extract your zip. There's my copy of WordPress, so we'll copy that and we'll put it into WAMP64 web new.cc. Get rid of those. And we'll copy in our WordPress. But before we do that, we need to set up a database for it. So if we go localhost again, we have phpMyAdmin, which defaults to root, username, password blank. Go to databases, add a new database. And then we can go to localhost again. Choose our new.cc. and the WordPress installation starts. So database, I think we called it was test. It was. The username for the database is root. Password is blank. It's on database localhost, and we'll take that prefix. For installation. Now, on my local sites, I always do the username admin, the password admin. No one can get to the files apart from me anyhow. And so it's not really an issue to have a really bad username and password. And there we are. One copy WordPress running.